with me. I have a few things to get done this week, so pretty much I'm going to film or vlog over the next couple of days and pretty much put everything together by Friday night to get uploaded. So this is basically just going to be like my vacation preparation video. So I'm just bringing y'all along with me to show you guys basically what I do to get ready for my vacation. So maintenance, spas, you know, just basic female stuff that we have to get done, of course, typical female stuff. But anyways, yeah, so I will be bringing you guys with me to my appointment today. And then I also wanted to show you a little quick sneak video that I will be doing. 1 second. All right, so I have a few of my items that I will be bringing with me on vacation. So I will be doing a pack with me video for you guys. This is just a few of them. I don't have everything yet, but I just wanted to give y'all that clue. It's gonna be super fun. It's gonna be one of my first pack with me videos. And I just kind of want y'all to see what I bring with me and then also how I pack to try to just get everything into a carry-on bag. All right, so I am getting ready to head out. I have to go drop my wig off so that the hairstylist can customize it for my appointment on Friday. And then after that, I'm gonna head to my lash appointment. So let's go. All right, so I am here at my appointment, y'all. When I tell you Texas weather, I have so much to complain about today. First the traffic, then the weather. Like I have this big puffer jacket on. Yesterday was 60 degrees. Obviously today it wants to be 75. I'm hot. So like I'm so, let me not cuss. I'm so confused about the weather. Like it's just crazy. But I'm here at my appointment, just waiting. I am like 20 minutes early. I'm pretty proud of myself. Like pretty proud of myself. But I'm just waiting for her. Once I get in, I'll kind of show y'all the scopes of everything and then we're gonna get started. I'm gonna do it before and after. Actually, let me do it before and after now. So these are my lashes. You cannot see nothing, okay? They're literally non-existent. That's only because I don't have mascara on, but anyways. They're non-existent. I need them fuller. I need them giving what's supposed to be gave. Funny story. So I showed up to my lash appointment and the girl that was doing my lash, her name is Rosanna or Roseanne or something like that. And I had met her when I had went out one night and she told me that she did lashes. So I was like, perfect. So like I'm about to go on vacation. So I definitely will need to book with you soon. So I finally booked my appointment and I get there to show her everything that I want. Super nice, super easy, super smooth. And I lay down and when I tell you, I never have like a twitching problem with my eyes. My eyes started fluttering, okay? And it was uncontrollable and it honestly kind of frustrated me a little bit because I'm a Virgo and you know, Virgos like to be in control of everything. So the fact that I did not have control of that kind of frustrated me, but I ended up falling asleep like probably halfway through the session, which was good. But I honestly, I'm just wondering, like, because she was asking me, do you drink like coffee a lot and all that stuff, or did you have coffee this morning? I was like, no, like I don't drink coffee a lot. Like I'll probably stop at Starbucks every once in a while, but other than that, no. And so I'm like, why is my eyes? And I think it's because I am a very on-the-go person. So whenever it comes time for me to kind of settle down, relax, if it's like spa or getting my lashes done or nails done, I guess I just don't know how to relax in a way, which I kind of hate about myself. But what is you doing, y'all? These people do not know how to drive. Anyways, yeah, so I don't really know how to relax and it kind of sucks. Like, but eventually, like I'm pretty proud of myself because I usually have a hard time doing that, but today I actually was able to get myself to kind of calm down and not be so tense. But I don't know if anybody else has that problem, and if you do, like what kind of relieves you from that? Like what do you kind of do? Because I need to know everybody's little techniques and stuff so that I can kind of try it out. But yeah, I just want to tell y'all that. Y'all, I look a complete mess right now. But it is day 2 of vacation preparation. I'm hungry and I'm about to go get something to eat. So we're gonna do that, and after that I have an appointment to get Waxity waxed. And I'm trying out a new company because I usually go to this one person, but the girl that I'm trying out today she's closer to me and she charges less. So let's see. All right, so if you live in Austin, there's this really good place called Nancy Sky Garden. It's off of Lakeline. I don't know if there's any other locations, but this is North Austin if you're not familiar. But I always get the teriyaki chicken trio, and it comes with a warm melody vegetable and then a pot. What is it? Sweet potato noodles, I think that's what it's called. And then I get ponzu sauce and then teriyaki sauce. So it's super good. And honestly, it's very, very healthy. So that's why I like to get it. So it just looks like that. Oh my goodness. Delicious. Delicious. Yum. I'm watching, what is this? Selling Tampa. They just put it on. I watched all of Selling Sunset. So I'm trying out Selling Tampa. So we'll see how it goes. We are here.
Super cute. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, cute. Do you like it?
I love it.
Cute.
Cute.
So it was nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too. I will.
And congrats on everything. And
Thank
I'll see you next year, okay?
Thank you,
Bye,
girl.
girl.
Bye. Wait. Oh, but like I could put it on you, and then I can put it on me. I can put it back.
I would never wear that, but those are kind of, the flower one's kind of
Tarjay. All right, day 3 of vacation preparation. Going to get the hair done. Finally. Oh, I'm here. So I'm about to go grab some meat because I'm starving, and I'm gonna head on to the stylist. All right, so I got hungry. Stopped at Sonic to get me some French toast sticks. I know it is not the morning. Actually, it's the afternoon. It's 12. Whatever, I don't care. I still want French toast sticks in the ocean water. And if you don't know, the ocean water hit at Sonic, add vanilla. Really, really good. Anyway, so I am headed to my appointment, and let me tell y'all, okay? I found the lady that's doing my hair on TikTok, and I noticed that she had lived in Austin, so I was like, perfect. I went ahead and booked her. And I have not, like, every single time, every interaction, every communication, I've had to reach out to her to get her address because I had to drop off the wig yesterday. And it was just kind of like, I don't know, like, she's not really communicating with me as much. So she hasn't said anything to me today. My appointment's at 1. I already have her address. Not quite sure if it's a different address, but we're gonna go here. It's like, I don't know, I'm like really big on communication too. So like, confirm the appointment. Hey, we're good. This is how you need to come. Something, I don't know, but it's just weird because I've never experienced that type of service before. But hopefully my hair is slayed. That's all that I care about, and we can go on with our days.
I could have been a fucked up ass bitch. To people, I said nothing. He was hurting inside because he shitted on me and finally got shitted on. And imagine that.